Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word resounds. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The cheering and applause resounds throughout the stadium as the home team scores a goal. Resounds means to echo loudly or to reverberate throughout a space, usually referring to a sound or noise that is heard clearly and distinctly. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.